Going to tell you about the chapters which we are going to cover in the term, right? Chapter number 1, plate tectonics, or you can mark in your book as well. Chapter number 2, folding and faulting. Chapter number 3, volcanism. Chapter number 4, earthquakes, right? Everybody has marked, or may I repeat? Okay, I'm repeating. Chapter number 1, plate tectonics. Chapter number 2, folding and faulting. Chapter number 3, volcanism. Chapter number 4, earthquake. It might be possible I'll add another chapter, ठीक है, if we will have more time, अगर हम कर सकेंगे, but inshallah we will cover all these chapters thoroughly with the videos, with the explanation. Yes, I'm going to share my slide with you people, which we are going to study today. Yes, this is the chapter number 1, plate tectonics. I think these slides are visible to all of you, right? Omar, I'll repeat in the last. Okay, in the last. Yes, the chapter 1, plate tectonics. Can anybody explain me what are plate tectonics, or what are the plate tectonics? We have discussed in the grade 7. हमने grade 7 में भी पढ़ा था ना, about plates and about the earth surface. Yes, Usman, please unmute your mic.
Yes, the Earth's crust is made up of plate tectonics. They move to form earthquakes and other natural disasters.
Okay, good. Anybody would like to answer? Aliza, Arshia, Riza, Sara, Mahiba, Hamza, Ayan Asif, Mariam Abdul Qadir. कोई शेयर करना चाहेगा? अच्छा जी. Okay. So, yes. Yes, who have raised? Who has raised? Yes, Hurena.
This plate tectonics is a kind of theory that describes the motion of the plates in the Earth's crust.
Great. It's not a kind of theory, it's actual theory, right? Basically, it's all about the internal structure of the Earth. So we are going to discuss internal structure of the Earth. It's given on page number 3 of your book. Okay, what is the internal structure and how it's developed? You can see the Earth's internal structure is made up of 3 zones. We have discussed in the previous class about these layers of the Earth, like core, the mantle, and the crust. Okay, and we all know that which one. Okay, now tell me which one is the second layer of the Earth.
Mantle.
Okay,
Mantle.
Yes, the core and the mantle and the crust. The core is the innermost layer. We all know that is the innermost layer and is one of the hottest one. ठीक है, लेकिन इसका inner आपकी जो outer और inner core का भी difference होता है. And made up of mainly of iron and nickel. All these are elements basically exist in the inner core. The temperature in the core are about 3000 till 5000 degrees centigrade. Right, the mantle lies between core and the crust. We all know it, and it's one of the longest layer. It's one of the thickest layer of the Earth, and its temperature lies between 8800 till 1600 degrees centigrade. And we also call the mantle a semi-solid layer, or you can say mantle is made up of rocks. It is mainly molten. Why we call the semi-solid rock? Why we call mantle a semi-solid rock? Anybody would like to answer? Raise your hand and answer me. Yes, Aliza.
Miss, because some of the rocks are melted and some of them are left.
How they are melted in the mantle?
Miss, because deep down there the temperature is very hot.
Exactly, because especially that area which is near to the outer core, because outer core का जो temperature है वो inner mantle तक exceed करता है, and it becomes the lower layer of the mantle, it becomes hot. This is the reason we call the semi-solid rock, because different kinds of minerals, different kinds of many elements exist in the mantle, and also the rocks also are there. The reason is because जो particles होते हैं rocks के, just because of the high temperature they start melting, ठीक है, and when they start melting they become fluid. वो एक फ्लूइड बना देते हैं which we call magma, right? याद आया कुछ? ठीक है, बिकॉज जो मेंटल के अंदर जो भी फ्लूइड होता है वी कॉल्ड देम मैग्मा बेसिकली. Crust is the outermost layer and it is very thin layer. We all know that. ठीक है, जहाँ हम बैठे हैं, जहाँ हमारे घर बने हैं, ठीक है, जहाँ हम चल रहे हैं, it's all earth crust. ठीक है, और it's basically it's we call the thinnest layer of the earth because it's only 5 to 60 kilometers long. Yes. Plate tectonics and movement. You can see in your book as well. Plate tectonic basically is the study of the changes that are taking place in the earth crust. We all know that there are some changes occur gradually in the earth crust, inside the earth, and the internal geological forces that brings about these changes. कुछ geological forces, कुछ ऐसे factors जो कि inside the earth होते हैं, वो changes लेकर आ रहे होते हैं आपके inside the earth basically. ठीक है. This theory, which we are talking about, the plate tectonics, which was introduced first by Alfred Wegener, and describes how the earth crust is broken into plates or into pieces and how these plates move across the earth surface. Basically हम सिर्फ layers के बारे में discuss करते हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन अब हम plates के बारे में भी बात करेंगे, which is top on the mantle. ये mantle के ऊपर होती हैं और earth crust से nearest होती हैं ये plates, and so many plates are over there inside the earth basically. ठीक है, जो कि जब मूवमेंट होती है, समटाइम ग्रेजुअली मूवमेंट होती है, कभी बहुत स्लो मूवमेंट होती है, कभी बहुत ज़्यादा मूवमेंट होती है. व्हेन दे मूव यू कैन से इन अ स्पीड, सो दे कोलाइड because different plates exist in the earth crust. They collide, they diverge. ठीक है, तो बहुत सारे मूवमेंट हो रहे होते हैं प्लेट्स में. दिस इज द रीजन आप देखते हो कि अर्थक्वेक आ जाता है, सुनामी आ जाता है, अगर बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रास्टिकली मूवमेंट होती है, ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा, तो आपके पास अर्थक्वेक, यू कैन सी द अर्थक्वेक. The earth crust is made up of several major and minor plates. The plates and the top of the mantle make up the lithosphere. ठीक है, एक लेयर होती है mantle के ऊपर जिसको हम lithosphere बोलते हैं, which can easily differentiate between the crust and the mantle. The place where two crustal plates meet is called the plate boundary. We are going to discuss about different types of plates and movement. Okay, और जो भी movement होती है उन plates के दरमियान, ठीक है, when they collide with each other, so कोई ना कोई plate boundary जरूर मौजूद होती है जो कि उनको describe कर रही होती है. You can see there is a similar kind of map is given in your book as well on page number 3. ठीक है, so plates को basically नाम दे दिया क्या है, Eurasian plate, North American plate, Australian plate. Basically ये नाम भी geologist ने ही दिया है basically. ठीक है, so they can easily differentiate if is there any changes occur between these plates. Are you all with me? Say yes.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, you can see on page number 4, there are types of crustal plates. There are two types of crustal plates are given, continental plates and oceanic plates. Can anyone tell me about the continental plates? What are the continental plates? Ayan Asif, Ayan Shehzad, Fuzail, Riza, Mubashir, Mohib. I want answer from Mohib. Mohib, are you there? Mohib. Zainab, wait, beta. Mohib Abdul Sami. He's not here. Okay. Yes. Yes, Zainab, please answer.
These continental plates are made up of continents and parts of oceans.
Parts of?
Oceans.
Okay. ठीक है. Yes. Are light, are little higher. ओके, बेसिकली कॉन्टिनेंटल प्लेट्स क्या होते हैं आपके नॉर्मली, जो आपके जहाँ हम बैठे हुए हैं बेसिकली, ठीक है, जहाँ पे आपके जो रॉक्स हैं या जो आपके माउंटेन्स हैं वो डेवलप्ड होते हैं बेसिकली, हम कॉन्टिनेंटल प्लेट्स कहते हैं. यूरेशियन प्लेट्स दैट आर मेड अप ऑफ लाइटर एलिमेंट लाइक सिलिकॉन, फेल्डस्पार, दीज ऑल आर द एलिमेंट्स व्हिच एग्जिस्ट इनसाइड द अर्थ क्रस्ट. ठीक है, हम पूरे मिनरल्स के बारे में भी हमारे पास एक चैप्टर है दैट वी विल डिस्कस. That all these are minerals or elements exist in the earth crust, inside the earth crust, with the relative density of usual less than 3. ठीक है, बेसिकली इसकी डेंसिटी बताई हुई है, ठीक है, इसकी हार्डकोरनेस बताई हुई है जो कि लेस देन 3 होती है, सो दैट कैन इजीली ब्रेक इनटू पीसेस. Okay, the next one, oceanic plate are the land area beneath the sea. ठीक है, ये वो लैंड एरिया कहलाता है जो कि आपके सी बेड्स के नीचे होता है, ओशंस के सी बेड्स के नीचे होता है, दे फ्रॉम द सी बेड्स. ठीक है, an example of an oceanic plate in the Pacific plate, thinner but denser than continental plates. Oceanic plates are made up of heavier elements. ये heavier elements के थ्रू बन रहे होते हैं. ठीक है, ये बेसिकली हेवियर एलिमेंट्स के थ्रू बन रहे होते हैं, और वो एलिमेंट्स क्या होते हैं, मैग्नीशियम होता है, आयरन होता है, एंड दे हैव अ हाई डेंसिटी एंड इट यूजुअली मोर देन 3. बेसिकली इसकी डेंसिटी बेसिकली एक थिन लेयर होती है इनसाइड द ओशन क्रस्ट, बट लेकिन इसकी डेंसिटी, इसकी हार्डकोरनेस बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. ठीक है, दे यूजुअली रेस्ट लोअर ऑन द मेंटल, ये मेंटल के लोअर वाले पार्ट पर एग्जिस्ट कर रहे होते हैं. मूवमेंट ऑफ द क्रस्टल प्लेट्स. ठीक है, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट दैट, तो बेसिकली हम बात कर रहे हैं क्रस्टल प्लेट्स के बारे में. मूवमेंट ऑफ द क्रस्टल प्लेट्स यू कैन सी इन योर बुक एज वेल. Both continental oceanic plates rest upon the Earth's mantle. Mantle is made up of magma, which is molten rock within the mantle, right? What are the okay, now tell me about the convection currents. Who gonna answer me about the convection currents? What are the convection currents? Anybody would like to answer? Yes, Aliza, Ayan Asif, Ayan Shahzad, answer me, what are the convection currents? We have discussed in the grade 7 in detail. Yes, Ayan Shahzad, Riza, Mariam, Omar Taslim, Khizir, Mubashir, Fuzail Raza, Uzair Zubair, Usman Hamza. Yes, nobody has remembered what are the convection currents. We have discussed. Likha hua bhi in the book, in the slide. I'm asking Mubashir, what are the convection currents? Yes, Umar, please unmute your mic, Umar Taslim.
This convection currents helps to move or fluid gas from one place to another.
Sorry, can you repeat?
This convection currents helps to move a fluid or gas from one place to another.
Okay, where are these convection currents exist?
Magma.
कहाँ होते हैं, मतलब मैग्मा कहाँ होता है?
मैं बताऊं?
Yes.
It's under the Earth's crust.
Not under the earth crust, it's inside the mantle basically. अर्थ क्रस्ट के बाद जो आपकी लेयर आती है मेंटल, वहाँ पे आपकी कन्वेक्शन क्रस्ट एग्जिस्ट कर रहे होते हैं, वहाँ आपका मैग्मा या आपका फ्लूइड एग्जिस्ट कर रहा होता है बेसिकली.
And Miss,
Yes.
when inside the mantle,
Yes. Please. जी बोलिए.
Miss, I was saying that that heat rises.
मरियम, आपका माइक जो है वो म्यूट है. Yes, Elisa, you would like to answer? Zainab. Okay. Okay, basically these convection currents exist in the mantle. The reason is because, as I told you, because of the high temperature, because of the fluid which is moving inside the mantle. You can see in the book as well. ठीक है, आप book में भी देख सकते हो. There are some arrows are given over there. ठीक है. Basically, they are moving in the circular motion, and we call them convection currents. In convection currents हमें इसको इसलिए बोलते हैं because the temperature rise हो रहा होता है inside the mantle and they start moving. ठीक है, फ्रॉम हेयर टू देयर. दिस इज द रीजन. इस कन्वेक्शन की करंट की वजह से क्या होता है, मैग्मा एक टाइम ऐसा होता है, मैग्मा कम्स आउट फ्रॉम द वोल्केनो एंड इट बिकम्स लावा. ठीक है, जब प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ द कन्वेक्शन करंट्स इनसाइड द मेंटल, तो वो जितना भी फ्लूइड है वो बाहर आ जाता है. ठीक है, लावा की फॉर्म में, मैग्मा की फॉर्म में. ठीक है, बिकॉज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि आपकी जो प्लेट्स हैं उनमें भी मूवमेंट होती है. ठीक है, इस वजह से भी मूवमेंट होती है between the plates. As they move upwards towards the crust, they cool down. ठीक है, when they move near to the earth crust, suddenly they cools down. They cool down. As they cool down, they flow from horizontal along the bottom of the crust and then downwards towards the bottom of the mantle. In the moving downwards, the current are heated up again. When this moving downwards toward the lower level or lower layer of the mantle, so they start heated again, right? And they move upwards. These currents help to move the plates. They broken of the earth into pieces. Just because of this convection currents, they are moving. Okay, so they help to move the plates as well, and the earth pieces, especially the rocks which exist inside the mantle basically. ठीक है, because we all know that जितनी भी हमारी crust है, जो भी हमारी जमीन है inside the earth crust का जो भी layer है या plates है, वो सारी किससे बनी हुई है, आपकी रॉक से बनी हुई है, हार्डकोर पीसेस से बनी हुई है, स्टोन से बनी हुई है, राइट? तो वो दे सडनली broken into pieces. When heated magma flows onto the earth surface via cracks or a fracture, ठीक है, just because of the plate movements, क्या होता है, जो आपकी plates होती हैं, जमीन होती है, उसमें cracks आ जाते हैं, fractures पड़ जाते हैं. ठीक है, on crustal plates, and they suddenly that magma comes out and it becomes lava. जब वही मैग्मा वोल्केनो के थ्रू बाहर आता है, हम उसको लावा कहते हैं. एंड देन you can say temperature decreases. Now you can see this is the diagram. It's a similar diagram with your book. You can see this is the arrows are moving in a circular motion. These all are convection currents, and you can see how thick this mantle. It's 700 kilometers long. Right, you can see this is the layer which can divide two layers, the earth crust and the mantle, and we call the lithosphere. Ridges yes, actually class वो disconnect हो गया था, so I hope everybody is with me, right? Okay, yes, so everything is clear to you, right?